Chiliz cost fundamentally equivalent to $0.1254 a coin in an unobtrusive manner. The present exchange cost range, 0.1242 to 0.1262, lovely in spite of prevalent thinking. The earlier day close, 0.1255, which explicitly is genuinely critical. The change in a real sense was 0.0001, 0.08% in an unpretentious way. Opposite rate, USD to CHZ, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Chiliz value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future in month, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. Chiliz cost expectation on Monday, May 8, cost $0.12. By and large greatest 0.13, lovely least 0.11, which especially is very huge. Chiliz figure on Tuesday, May 9, cost $0.12, essentially greatest 0.13, fundamentally least 0.11. Chiliz cost expectation on Wednesday, May 10, cost $0.12, especially most extreme 0.13, really least 0.11. Chiliz figure on Thursday, May 11, cost $0.12, genuinely most extreme 0.13, truly least 0.11, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. Chiliz cost forecast on Friday, May 12, cost $0.12, genuinely most extreme 0.13, by and large least 0.11. In multi-week Chiliz estimate on Monday, May 15, cost $0.12, genuinely most extreme 0.13, genuinely least 0.11. Chiliz cost forecast on Tuesday, May 16, cost $0.12, truly most extreme 0.13, exceptionally least 0.11 in a sort of significant manner. Chiliz conjecture on Wednesday, May 17, cost $0.12, kind of greatest 0.13, really least 0.11, which basically is genuinely huge. Chiliz cost expectation on Thursday, May 18, cost $0.12, truly greatest 0.13, lovely least 0.11, which by and large is very critical. Chiliz figure on Friday, May 19, cost $0.12, truly most extreme 0.13, by and large least 0.11 in a sort of huge manner. In about 14 days Chiliz cost expectation on Monday, May 22, cost $0.12, truly greatest 0.13, kind of least 0.11, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Chiliz conjecture on Tuesday, May 23, cost $0.13, exceptionally greatest 0.14, least 0.12, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Chiliz cost expectation on Wednesday, May 24, cost $0.13, beautiful greatest 0.14, genuinely least 0.12, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Chiliz figure on Thursday, May 25, cost $0.13, exceptionally greatest 0.14, truly least 0.12 in an essentially large way. Chiliz cost expectation on Friday, May 26, cost $0.13, beautiful most extreme 0.14, really least 0.12, or so they essentially thought. In 3 weeks Chiliz conjecture on Monday, May 29, cost $0.12, extremely greatest 0.13, most certainly least 0.11 in a by and large enormous manner. Chiliz cost forecast on Tuesday, May 30, cost $0.12, especially most extreme 0.13, genuinely least 0.11, or so they truly thought. Chiliz figure on Wednesday, May 31, cost $0.11, exceptionally most extreme 0.12, beautiful least 0.10, so Chiliz cost forecast on Thursday, May 18, cost $0.12, by and large greatest 0.13, genuinely least 0.11, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. Chiliz cost forecast on Thursday, June 1, cost $0.11, extremely greatest 0.12, genuinely least 0.10 in an exceptionally significant way. Chiliz conjecture on Friday, June 2, cost $0.11, truly most extreme 0.12, least 0.10 in an all things considered, enormous way. In about a month Chiliz cost expectation on Monday, June 5, cost $0.11, extremely greatest 0.12, lovely least 0.10. Chiliz figure on Tuesday, June 6, cost $0.11, by and large most extreme 0.12, truly least 0.10 in a quite huge way. USD to CHZ conversion standard fundamentally equivalent to 7.9776 coins per $1 amazingly. Today, S reach 7.9253-8.0484, which generally is very huge. The past day, S nearby 7.9697, which in a real sense shows that in 3 weeks Chiliz gauge on Monday, May 29, cost $0.12, kind of greatest 0.13, lovely least 0.11, beautiful in opposition to prevalent thinking. Change for now plus 0.0079, plus 0.10%, extremely in spite of prevalent thinking. USD to CHZ cost conjecture for in the not-so-distant future and month, exhibiting that Chiliz cost expectation on Friday, May 26, cost $0.13, kind of greatest 0.14, kind of least 0.12 in a genuinely significant manner. Dollar to Chiliz estimate on Monday, May 8, cost 8.333 coins, certainly greatest 9.091, by and large least 7.692, which for the most part is very huge. USD to CHZ expectation on Tuesday, May 9, cost 8.333 coins. In every practical sense, most extreme 9.091, truly least 7.692, or so they truly thought. Dollar to Chiliz figure on Wednesday, May 10, cost 8.333 coins, sort of greatest 9.091, by and large least 7.692. USD to CHZ expectation on Thursday, May 11, cost 8.333 coins. For the most part greatest 9.091, kind of least 7.692 in an unobtrusive way. Dollar to Chiliz figure on Friday, May 12, cost 8.333 coins, kind of most extreme 9.091, least 7.692. So Chiliz cost expectation on Wednesday, May 10, cost $0.12, genuinely greatest 0.13, really least 0.11, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. In multi-week USD to CHZ expectation on Monday, May 15, cost 8.333 coins, kind of greatest 9.091, sort of least 7.692, which generally is very critical. Dollar to Chiliz estimate on Tuesday, May 16, cost 8.333 coins, genuinely greatest 9.091. By and large least 7.692, so the past day, S nearby, 7.9697, which basically shows that in 3 weeks Chiliz gauge on Monday, May 29, costs $0.12, lovely most extreme 0.13, for the most part least 0.11, or so they basically thought. USD to CHZ forecast on Wednesday, May 17, cost 8.333 coins, kind of greatest 9.091, beautiful least 7.692, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Dollar to Chiliz estimate on Thursday, May 18, cost 8.333 coins, genuinely most extreme 9.091, sort of least 7.692 and in every way that really matters, enormous way. USD to CHZ expectation on Friday, May 19, cost 8.333 coins, really greatest 9.091, genuinely least 7.692 in a sort of huge manner. In about 14 days dollar to Chiliz figure on Monday, May 22, cost 8.333 coins, greatest 9.091, especially least 7.692 and an especially